Welcome back to Weekend at 1. We continue the coverage of the top stories making headlines at this hour. And NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga is tomorrow set to visit Siaya County to campaign there. According to Homa Bay women representative Gladys Wanga, the NASA candidate will be seeking to drum up support for ODM candidates in the region. Speaking in Rarieda, Wanga told in tow into Jubilee party, accusing it of letting Kenyans down.
That these people have been in government. When Raila was in government, he has a record that can account for his period in government. Yes. When William Ruto was in the Jubilee government the last 5 years, we can count more scandals that this country has ever seen since independence. Wow. Start with NYS, Eurobond, Galana Kulalu, Railway SDR, Asla jet ile ulienda nayo huko hata tujamalizia. Hata hii mahindi ya Mexico iko hapa. Mambo ya unga tunasikia wengi huko ndani. And Jubilee has left Kenyans hungry and angry. And that is why 8th of August 2017, in another 46 days, Jubilee, you are going?
Kenyatta is telling Kenya that Raila is complaining of everything because Raila wants to come to steal votes. But Raila has a record, a very well-known record of always saying the truth. When he says the truth, Uhuru says, no, that is a lie. No, that is wrong. Raila is scandalizing. Raila is what? Manufacturing things. How about things like the Eurobond? Up to now, Uhuru has failed to explain to Kenyans where the Eurobond money went. Yes! Because the Eurobond money was meant to construct roads. It was meant for infrastructure. And Uhuru it is very easy, Mr. Kenyatta, to show an infrastructural project which you have implemented with Eurobond. Why have you not told Kenyans where it went? Raila said it and it still stands. How about the National Youth Service money? The NYS money. Raila told you that this money has been stolen. And it came to pass, and now Uhuru was now blaming Waiguru. Ruto was blaming Waiguru is blaming Ruto, and so it's a blame game. But they now admit that money was what? Stolen.